I am Kaleem and I have been given a task to teach you English. You are a student of class 5. Last year you were reading in class 4. So you have been promoted to class 5. I congratulate you for your success. And I give you good news that it is a spring season and the school is blooming with beautiful roses. The garden is growing thick with green grass. The environment is very clean. I hope sooner or later you will surely join the school. I know that you miss your school, your friends, your teachers, your classroom. This situation will not be go longer. You will surely come, you will certainly come to the school. We will join you, we will miss you. And one thing more, I know that you are getting bored while living in a school, in a home for long hours and doing nothing. Adopt good habits, cleanliness, do exercise at your home, help your mothers and little kids, and obey your parents. Don't go anywhere. Don't go close to any stranger whom you don't know. Keep yourself clean, healthy, because you have to grow and you have to become a man, you have to become mature, you will a grown up person, you will be a doctor, you will be an engineer, you will be a beautiful man. Today I am going to teach you English book of class of grade 5. It is upside down or it is clear. This is a beautiful book that you will enjoy while reading it. There are beautiful poems, beautiful stories, beautiful pictures. If you are not reading the book, you can keep yourself amused and entertained by observing and peering at the pictures that are given in the book. Today, I am not going to start the lesson. I have to teach you, I have to make you learn the message, the beauty that has been given you in your textbook on the title page. You should know, and you know, many of you, I sure, many of you know what this page is called. The front page of every book, face of the book, it is also called. What do you say to this page? Can anybody tell it? This page, where the picture is given, it is called title page. It is called title page. You have to observe it, you have to see it, and you have to follow the purpose and the meaning given in the pictures of the title. This title is not going to be ignored. You have not to ignore it. You have to find and follow the message that has been given you into this title page. Let us enjoy the beauty that's been given you into that title. You see, it is the trunk of a tree. It is the trunk of a tree. You have in front of you a tall, thick trees, but the picture that is given to you is the trunk of a tree. When I will give you the homework, you will complete the picture of the tree. You will add more branches and leaves, and you will add more height to this tree. But at the moment, let us see what the title has for you. This is book 5. It is called textbook, and I am going to explain the title page to you. This is a tree, and it is snow-covered trees. It is snow-covered trees. Tree is covered with snow, and the snow is melting, and the melting snow is going to make a stream. You see? Snow is being melted, flowing, and going to make a stream. This is the trunk of a tree, and a little boy of your age has done a very beautiful thing. He has not damaged the trunk. He has just changed it, and he has made his study room into the trunk of the tree. You see that he has not damaged the trunk of the tree. He kept the beauty of the tree and made his study room. Let's go and see it closely. Can you see it closely? A little boy is sitting on the table. He has a large feather in his hand. Large feather in his hand. You see large feather? Can you see it clearly? Everybody, you have to watch the things. How many things are given to you? First of all, you see a snow-covered tree. Yes, it is the trunk of the tree. Yes, you see it? Yes. And inside the trunk of the tree, fire is burning, and the little boy is very clever. He has protected the burning fire with big stones to protect the trunk of the tree, lest it should not catch the fire. The boy has a page and he is writing with something. The thing that is in hand he is writing with is not a pen. It is not a fountain pen. It is not a ballpoint. It is a large feather of a bird. When a large feather of a bird is formed like a pen, it called quill. So in the title page, you see the trunk of a tree. The tree is covered with snow. In the trunk of the tree, a little boy is writing something on the page. He has a beautiful feather of a bird and he had changed it into a pen. He has made pen from a beautiful feather of a bird, and this type of pen is called quill. I will write it on the board, you will see it. A beautiful lamp is hanging with the rope, and it has enlightened the room. The little boy, his face, you see his face, his eyes are as beautiful as yours. He is smiling with happiness. When you learn something, you feel very happy. He has learned something and he is feeling very happy. He resembles some of you. You see his eyes, you see his face, and you can see the things in the room, and you see that boy has not damaged the tree. He has made little change, and with the little change, he has made a beautiful study room. With ease and comfort, he has a chimney. On the harrow. The chimney is used to take away the smoke from the fire, Now the little boys come to I'm going to summarize it, I'm going to say again the things. A beautiful tree, snow-covered trees, the snow is melting and going to make a stream. It is flowing toward the stream. A little boy has made the trunk of the tree his study room, and he is in a good mood. He is very happy. On the table, he has nothing else. He has just a beautiful page and a beautiful quill in his hand. Quill is the feather of a large beautiful bird and form a pen. A feather, a pen made of a feather is called a pen made of a feather is called quill. Now we are going to give you the message that this title has for you, and you have to follow it. The message of the title is that nature is very beautiful. It is very clean. Nature is very beautiful. It is very clean. You can enjoy its comfort and its gift while conserving it, while protecting it. If you are not going to damage the beauty of nature, you will enjoy the gift and the beauty of the nature. If you are not going to destroy the beauty of nature, if you are not going to damage the beauty of the nature, the beauty of the nature will make you happy and healthy. The title of the book has message for you. The title of the book has message for you that nature is very beautiful, very clean, and it has lot of things and happiness for you. You are not going to damage it or destroy it. Understand? I'm going to tell you again. The title of the page has some object. It depicts the beauty of nature. The title shows you that nature is very beautiful. It is very kind. You have not to destroy it. You have not to damage it. If you are going to conserve it, if you are going to protect it, it will give you gift and happiness. Like this boy, this little boy of your age has changed, little change. Instead of destroying, instead of cutting the tree, instead of demolishing it from the earth, he has made his beautiful retreat. He has made a comfortable room for him. Understand? He is reading, he is feeling very happy and proud. You see his eyes, you see his face, he is smiling, he is laughing, and he shows that after learning something, he is feeling very happy. He shows that preparing a study room into the trunk of a tree, he feels very happy. So the message is, I'm going to repeat, the message of this title is, nature is very beautiful. You can enjoy its comfort and its beauty if you are protecting it. If you are protecting it. If you are going to protect it, if you are going to conserve it, it will make you happy. You will enjoy the gift it has for you. To come to the board, I have prepared some questions related to this title. Look, first of all, you have to see and you have to write the name. You have to remember. Little boys, I have written the name of the objects or the things that you have seen in the title. First of all, you see the large tree, but it is incomplete. On the tree you see snow, and the snow is melting. Inside the trunk of the tree you see a little boy, and the little boy has a quill in his hand. On the little above of the study room, on the right side of the boy you see hollow. This is a hollow, and he has made it without making any change, without disturbing the shape of the tree. He has made that hollow a chimney. This is called a chimney. It is for the purpose to take away the smoke from the room. Chimney is used to take away the smoke from the room. This is chimney. Large tree, snow, quill, chimney, a little boy, and a stream, and one thing else that you remember I have not written here. You have to see a beautiful lamp is hanging in the room, and it has enlightened the room. A boy is writing something on the page. He is feeling proud. He is feeling happy. Now, this is a little work there. First of all, you have to draw this title on a separate page, but you will complete the picture of the tree. You are given only the trunk of the tree. This is the trunk of the tree. And the boy has made his study room. This is, you will make it yourself. You will make the picture of the boy, inside everything, and here you see the boy has make a fireplace with stone. Understand? And here is a hollow, and he has made, this is for smoke, doing nothing with the tree. Now you are going to add some height and branches to the tree to make it more beautiful. You are going to make the tree. Understand? And you can make branches, you can add leaves, more leaves, and you can make it beautiful. You can give the color to the tree, add some height to the tree, add some branches to the tree, and green leaf to the tree. One homework is that you have to complete the title of the page. Next homework is describe the title of your textbook. Describe the title of your textbook. You can say the title of the book is very beautiful. It has a large tree. Inside the large tree, inside the trunk of the tree, a little boy has made his study room. He is studying. He is looking very happy. And the tree is covered with snow, and the snow is melting, and it is flowing towards a stream. And the boy is holding a quill in his hand. He is writing on the page. The boy is feeling very proud and happy because he has made this study room very comfortable and warm. Instead of damaging the tree, he has gained comfort and beauty from the tree. This is the message. So I'm going to repeat the question first. Describe the title of your textbook. Question 1. How many things you see in the title? This is question 2. How many things you see in the title? Question 3 is, what is the message in the title? The message in the title is, nature is very beautiful. If you can protect it, if you can conserve it, you can enjoy the beauty and comfort. You can enjoy the beauty and comfort of nature while protecting and conserving it. You have not to damage the beauty of nature. You have to conserve it, you have to protect it, and it will fulfill your need. This is the message of the title. Title shows you that you have not to change the beauty of the nature. You have not to damage. The tree is the part of nature. Trees are the most beautiful things on the earth, and you have to protect them. Instead of damaging it, you can make comfort, you can get comfort and beauty and pleasure from the trees. So, what is the message in the title? I think whatever you have listened, you can make answer of yourself. For what season of the year is depicted? What season of the year is depicted? The season. You see snow is melting, and you can say, you can realize, you can guess yourself, what season is this? Fifth is, draw the title of the book while adding branches to the tree. While adding branches to the tree, you can complete the title of the page, the title of the book. So this is your homework, your title page. You have learned that the first page, which gives you a message, which gives you some picture to ponder on and to think upon them, is called title page. This title page has a message for you that nature is very kind and nature is very beautiful. If you are going to protect it, if you protect and conserve it, you will really enjoy the beauty and the gift that nature has for you. Thank you, boys. Thank you, little kid. Enjoy the holidays and have a nice holidays.